You can locate specific information about your device like drivers, documents, or updates by using your device's serial number, SNID, or model number. On the bottom of every Acer laptop is an identification label with legal and system information. On this label, you will find the model number. You may see a 5-character model number near the left side of the label. This is not the model number you will use when searching for device information. Multiple devices can have the same model number. This number can be used to find general information about the product, like drivers, documents, and applications. Typically, to the right of the model number, you'll also find the manufacturing date. Under the first barcode, you'll find the serial number. The serial number is a series of 22 letters and numbers that are unique to your specific device. This number can be used to locate specific product support and warranty information. Below the serial number is the SNID. The SNID is a series of 11 numbers that are also unique to only your device. Both the serial number and SNID can be used interchangeably to find support, warranty, and driver information. To find information about your product, you can enter the serial number, SNID, or model number on our support site. Navigate to acer.com/support. In the search box, enter the serial number, SNID, or model number. On the product support page, you'll be able to view device-specific documents, drivers, and downloads. You can also search through Acer Answers knowledge articles and Acer community topics pertaining to your device. Additionally, if you use the serial number or SNID, you'll see more information about the device like part number, warranty information, and specific product details.